What's up, YouTube? Today, be doing something to my car. Let me show you what it is real quick. Let me unlock it first, then I can show you. Let's try this one more time. This is what I'm be doing. Putting a new bumper on. Thank God. This bumper isn't that bad. OEM, the 323 one, and the only reason why is because that I bought it like that though, so it's not really my fault. But yeah, I'm gonna change it out today to this. And I just got this painted last night, so it looks so gorgeous. Love it so much. Like, literally just beautiful. But yeah, put that on today. I'm gonna kind of bring you through the steps with me, because I still don't even know how to do it. But I'm gonna get the front end lifted up, put jack stand under it. Hopefully we can change it without taking off the wheels, because I really don't want to. Don't want to get it dirty today. But yeah, I'm gonna jack it up and come back to see what we have to take out over here. So I'm just looking under here, and sad to say, this is my fog light wire. I don't know how that happened. I was wondering why they weren't turning on, but that's the reason why. But yeah, so it's just looks like two 8mm bolts. I think you could move those, even maybe the third one. I don't know, or even all four. But I think I can move the two and then push the plastic back. All my fender lines not there clearly, or there would be more, I believe. But yeah, pull it back, or even remove. If it comes down to it, just remove all of them, all five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, pull it back, and it should just be one bolt, if I believe. I heard BMWs are pretty easy when it comes to bumper installations. But I'm gonna take these 4/8 out, maybe even 5, and let you guys know, and then tell you what's back here to take out. All right, so I had to make a store run, and I had to go grab an external Torx or E-Torx, same thing. Because there's two little holes. Yeah, let me get the light. That hole, and there's one on the other side. See if you can see it there. See that right there? It's basically damn near the only thing holding this on. I don't know, people were saying there's stuff behind here, but I guess we're gonna find out when I take that off. I believe it's the E12 or an E14. I'm about to find out right now, and I will let you guys know. So I got it out. Yep, it's the E12. Goes right over that long ass bolt. It goes straight up. I literally just grab the impact and the extension and the E12 and came right out. About to get the other side, and like I said, since I don't have any fender liner, should just come straight out. That's what I'm guessing. That's what I'm hoping for. But I'm gonna get that one out, and I'm gonna come back and tell you if it comes straight off or not. Took them out. Oh shit. I forgot to take my dumbass forgot to take the fog lights out. Let me do that real quick. And as you can see, came straight out. But I think I do have to take these off, because the actual bumper cover, or not the bumper, but the actual bumper, like the steel piece, is on there still, and that came straight off with it. Unless they're on the back. I don't know. I'm about to take it off and show you guys. All right, so I took it off clearly, and I do got to take these things out. This fucking sucks, but had to get the scissors because I don't have a plastic tab popper sadly right now. But once I take those out, all the things should come out. I can put it back on to support that. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. Take this off and see if that works. Honestly, you guys, getting this thing out of the OEM bumper was literally probably the hardest part of this job so far. This All them tabs were just, they just didn't want to like come out, so I had to break them out. And then there's more on the back, and it's just big hassle, big hassle. But I'm gonna try to put this bumper on, and I pray to God it fits, because I don't want to have to put that back on. But is it just me? No, thought it was an accident on this. But I'm gonna put the bumper on, and I'm gonna see if it lines up and whatnot. But I'll be right back. All right, finally done. I think it looks very good. Love the way it turned out. Only thing I wish, I mean, honestly, I didn't have the fitment super bad. I didn't, you know, I think it's pretty good for first time putting on a bumper. Can't really complain. Paint matches really well, and I'm loving that. I hate when, like, you know, two different colors. Yeah, I think it turned out really well. Be prepared if those like tabs break on the front. You know, this one doesn't need them, thank God. Also, another thing is, don't forget that on the OEM bumper, I don't know if everyone will have one, but there's a weather stripping along this, just along the edge of the bumper. Make sure you take it out and put it on this one. It protects it. It actually helps it fit a lot better, because I put it on before I did that, and it was, you know, like kind of messed up on this side. So I put that on, and it actually fit a lot better. It's all the way closed. I can't put the grill on yet, which sucks, but I will do that soon. I just need to get a Dremel, which I don't have right now, because the old OEM air intake, whatever the fuck you can call it, is there and is in the way of it. This hood is just Jesus. It's probably what I'm gonna be spraying next. This thing's bad. But yeah, I don't know. I might just paint correct the car, because I do want to get a carbon hood. Why waste the money on painting it? I don't know yet. Carbon hood and trunk. But yeah, that's it. Install, fairly easy, not that hard. Any questions, you know, leave them in the comments. Please like, subscribe, share if you found this helpful. Really all you need for this job is an 8mm to get the fender liners off, and then the E12, I believe it was. Yeah, E12 to get the actual bumper off, not just the cover. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just do have that coming. These lights, I have both of them coming, light pieces. They're for the facelift, so they don't have this anymore. They're just, I don't know how they are, honestly. I think they're yellow, which is weird, because who the hell wants yellow reverse lights? But I don't know. I'm gonna record me putting them on. Doesn't seem too hard. Seems like I just gotta take this off, or like pull it back, and a few screws probably. So I'm gonna record me doing that, and that should be the next video. Thanks, guys.